Can you imagine a world where physical money is obsolete and digital currencies reign supreme? Welcome to the dawn of a new era, where traditional finance is giving way to its digital counterpart. We're witnessing an exciting shift, a reshaping of the financial landscape that's been dominated by banks and paper money for centuries. At the heart of this transformation are cryptocurrencies, digital assets that are not just alternatives, but potential successors to traditional currency. Take Bitcoin, for instance, the firstborn of this digital revolution, or Ethereum, a platform that's not just a currency, but a whole ecosystem. They're more than just digital money, they're the pioneers of a new financial world. The rise of cryptocurrencies is not just a trend, it's a global movement that's redefining our understanding of money, value, and financial transactions. So let's embark on this journey together. Dive into the world of cryptocurrencies and learn how it's revolutionizing our financial systems. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? Well, let's break it down. The term cryptocurrency is a portmanteau of cryptographic and currency. At its core, a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency, but there's more to it than just being some form of digital money. Now, imagine a world where you hold complete control over your money without the need for banks or governments. That's the beauty of cryptocurrencies. They are decentralized, meaning they aren't controlled by any central authority like a government or financial institution. They are, in a sense, a democratic form of money. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that rely on a technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger, but unlike your typical ledger, each page or block is linked to the one before it, forming a chain. This ledger isn't stored in one place, but spread across thousands, if not millions, of computers worldwide. Every time a cryptocurrency transaction takes place, it's recorded on this ledger, and because it's decentralized, it's near impossible to tamper with. This makes cryptocurrencies secure and transparent. But how does one get their hands on these digital assets? Cryptocurrencies can be bought on various online platforms, or they can be mined. Mining involves using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, miners are rewarded with a certain amount of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies can be stored in digital wallets and used to buy goods and services online, or even traded for profit. However, they're much more than just a new form of money. They represent a new way of thinking about and dealing with the financial world. Cryptocurrencies are still in their early stages, and while they've seen significant growth and acceptance, they also present their own unique challenges and risks. But one thing is certain. They're here to stay, and they're reshaping how we conceive and handle financial transactions. In essence, cryptocurrencies are the digital gold of the 21st century. Behind every cryptocurrency lies a technology called blockchain. This is the invisible engine that powers the world of digital currencies. But what exactly is it? Well, it's a type of database, but unlike traditional databases, the information stored in a blockchain is stored in blocks that are chained together. Hence the name, blockchain. Imagine a chain of blocks, each block carrying a bundle of data, like transactions. Once a block is filled with data, a new block is formed and linked to the previous one. This forms a chain of blocks, a blockchain. But here's the kicker. Once a block is added to the chain, the data it contains is virtually impossible to alter. This is because each block contains unique codes called hashes that are created based on the information in the block. Change the information, you change the hash, breaking the chain. This is why blockchain technology is considered incredibly secure. Now, this concept of blockchain is crucial to the functioning of cryptocurrencies. How? Well, every transaction made with a cryptocurrency is recorded on a blockchain. So for instance, if Alice sends Bob 5 bitcoins, this transaction is recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain. This means that blockchain technology serves as a public ledger for all transactions that occur using a specific cryptocurrency. But it's not just about recording transactions. Blockchain also plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity and security of cryptocurrencies. It prevents double spending, a scenario where a user spends the same digital coin more than once. Since every transaction is recorded and visible to everyone on the network, it's near impossible to cheat the system. This transparency and security make blockchain indispensable to cryptocurrencies. It's the reason why cryptocurrencies can operate independently, without the need for a central authority like a bank. So in essence, blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrencies. It's the technology that allows them to be decentralized, secure, and transparent. So blockchain is like a public ledger, securing and recording all cryptocurrency transactions. It's a vital piece of the crypto puzzle, one that is transforming the way we view and use money. Ever wondered how new cryptocurrencies come into existence? Well, it's through a fascinating process called mining. No, not the kind that involves pickaxes and hard hats. In the world of cryptocurrencies, mining refers to the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain ledger. But how does this work, you ask? Imagine a complex mathematical puzzle. This puzzle is unique and it pertains to a specific batch of transactions. Miners compete to solve this puzzle first. The one who cracks it verifies the transactions in the batch and adds them to the blockchain. This is a key part of maintaining the integrity and security of the cryptocurrency network. But what's the incentive for miners to solve these puzzles? It's not just the thrill of the chase, although that certainly plays a part. Miners are rewarded with newly minted coins. This is how new cryptocurrencies are born. For instance, in the Bitcoin network, the reward for mining a block was originally 50 Bitcoins. However, this reward halves approximately every 4 years, in an event known as the halving. This mechanism ensures the controlled supply of new coins, maintaining the balance between the number of coins in circulation and their value. Mining also serves another important function. It discourages fraud. Because miners need to invest significant computational resources to solve the puzzle, it's not economically viable to manipulate the system. So, in a nutshell, mining is the process that breathes life into cryptocurrencies. It keeps the blockchain ticking, verifies transactions, discourages fraud, and rewards miners with new coins. It's a bit like the gold rush of the 19th century, but instead of delving into the earth, miners delve into complex computational puzzles. And instead of shiny nuggets of precious metal, their reward is digital gold. Mining is the heartbeat of a cryptocurrency, pumping new coins into the digital economy. Keeping your digital wealth safe is paramount. Let's delve into the world of wallets and security in cryptocurrency. The wallet is your personal treasury in the crypto universe. It's where you store, receive, and send your digital coins, much like your everyday wallet, only it's virtual. But how does it work? Well, it's all about keys. You see, in the crypto world, transactions are made with a pair of digital keys. A public key that everyone can see, and a private key that only you should know. Your public key is like your email address, and your private key is like your password. Now, there are different types of wallets, from online wallets, also known as web wallets, to mobile wallets, desktop wallets, hardware wallets, and even paper wallets. Each wallet type has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice depends on factors such as convenience, accessibility, and of course, security. Speaking of security, it's the cornerstone of managing cryptocurrencies. Given the irreversible nature of crypto transactions, losing your private key or falling victim to a scam can mean losing all your digital assets. Hence, it's crucial to adopt robust security practices. This includes keeping your private key secret, using hardware wallets for large amounts, and being vigilant about phishing attempts. In essence, your wallet is an integral part of your journey in the crypto world. It's your personal bank, and the key to it should be guarded just like your most precious treasure. In the world of cryptocurrencies, your wallet is your personal bank, and security is your best friend. Cryptocurrencies are more than just digital assets. They are agents of change, currently reshaping our financial landscape in ways previously unimaginable. The impact of these digital currencies stretches far beyond their fluctuating market values. They are gradually being embraced across various industries, from real estate to retail, from healthcare to hospitality, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. Cryptocurrencies are democratizing finance in unprecedented ways. They are breaking down barriers, making financial services more accessible to the unbanked and underbanked populations of the world, fostering financial inclusion. No longer do you need to be wealthy to invest, or live in a developed country to have access to financial services. With cryptocurrencies, all you need is an internet connection. Cryptocurrencies are also giving power back to the people, promoting decentralization. They are challenging the traditional banking systems, offering alternatives to government-issued currencies, and providing a platform for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. But this is just the beginning. As blockchain technology evolves, so too will the impact and potential of cryptocurrencies. The future of finance could very well be decentralized, borderless, and inclusive thanks to cryptocurrencies. But it's not just about observing these changes from the sidelines. Cryptocurrencies are not just shaping the future of finance, they are inviting us all to be a part of this exciting journey. If you like this content, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more.